Hey everyone, I'm Will, and today we're making CrabApple WarHead candy. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Let's get crazy for making some candy. We're gonna get started, and today I'm getting some help from Brandon. Here's the crab apples, and nice big bowl. I picked these a little bit early and let them sit. There's a higher percentage of malic acid in these crab apples. They're going to be a very sour warhead candy. What you're gonna need to extract the sugars and the malic acid from the crab apples, you're gonna need to blend them up. We're gonna blend them basically whole, stems, seeds, skins and all. We're gonna need a little bit of water to help with getting it like moving through the blender. We're gonna need another bowl to put all the stuff that's blended up, put in that, and then stick it right into the apple press at the end, basically crab apple cider. We're gonna need to use a bowl. We're gonna spread out some of this cheesecloth. I have Brandon to help out to hold this. You can actually put this on a base kind of thing where it's like drilled into a tabletop, but we can't do that to a kitchen counter. It's too nice to do that. And already like some stuff's already come out. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna grip the side of this, hold the base still while I don't whack him in the head with the handle. And this is gonna get hard. At first, it's going to be easy, and then it becomes really hard. Grab the cheesecloth and pull up each little block, and they're gonna be like small little thin blocks. It just falls right apart. You could eat this, but as you can see, even right here, there is one of the stems. I like to call this fiber done. You can eat this, you're done for the day. We are now going to try the apple cider and see how clear it is. Let's try it. Woo. Sour. There's a little bitterness in there, but cooking that down, we're gonna add some sugar to it. Yeah, that's gonna be sour candy. Now we're gonna turn on this to high, let it heat up, put a lid on, and when it starts boiling, we're gonna then take the lid off and let it boil right down that it can turn into a syrup. When it gets to that point, we're gonna add sugar, add a little bit of honey instead of corn syrup, because it's a little bit healthier. I cooked it down to a syrup. This is the time where you add a cup of sugar. Hopefully that is not too much, but Brandon and I will taste this and see if we should use a cup of sugar or 2 cups of sugar. If you also can see, this is not gonna be like the warhead candy where it's going to be like a green candy. No, this is going to be red. Okay, Brandon and I are gonna try it. Let's try it. Maybe a half a cup of sugar. I'm gonna put a half cup of sugar in it. Okay. Instead of a cup. Covered in powdered sugar. Now I'm getting the taste of apple. So it's nice and sour. There's some tartness. So it's not like full out like punchy kind of like Warhead candy, but it's sour apple candy.
What does it taste like?
Straight Warheads.
It is like Warhead?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not fully like extremely hard candy, but if you start chewing on it just a little bit, it gets even more sour. I just tried the soft one. He was laughing at my head. This is sour. The other one was not as bad. The hard one. The soft one, yeah, this is sour. This is real sour. That was fantastic. Would you eat it again?
Yeah.
If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel or Brandon's channel, or press the round subscribe buttons to both our channels to help both of us get to 1,000 subscribers. And until next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.